Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to enable noise cancellation on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! In order to quickly enable noise cancellation, all you want to do is simply click your finger anywhere and this should appear. Now you want to scroll right, and on the left we have noise cancellation. As you can see, currently it is disabled. In order to enable it, you want to simply click it once to enable the basic noise cancellation, or you can click it second time to enable strong noise cancellation. Note that strong noise cancellation will probably result in your voice being cut many times, so only use it when necessary, for example in some sort of wind environment. And note that if you do have wind environment, you can always just go and put on your windmuffs to help with noise. But once again, this is how you can enable or disable noise cancellation on this microphone. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.